Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can create trending shorts on our YouTube channel and how can we earn money by it. So we are gonna use a simple AI tool and it is very fast. You don't have to do much work. You just have to type the type of video you want and it will generate video for you, and then you can upload that video on Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube shorts, and you can earn money. So we are gonna create facts shorts channel. So let's check some facts channel before. So you can see this video got millions of views. So this video got 253k likes and views are about a million. So you can also create videos like this for free. So if you copy this channel and search, so you can see this video got over 3.8 million, 2.5 million, 1.3 million, 492k, 513k, 3 million, 3 million, 3.2 million. So you can also get views like this for free. You just have to follow this tutorial, and if we search for this channel on Social Blade, you can see this channel is earning about 23k minimum monthly. So it goes up to 380.2k monthly earning. So you can see this channel is getting about 10k followers daily. 10k, 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 10k. So you can also create viral channels like this. You have to go to this website, Flicky, Fliki, or you can come to app.flicky.ai, and then you can sign in with your Google account and then click on new file. So uh, amazing or facts about ocean. So click on create. So my video topic is fact about ocean. So this tool will generate videos for me, audio for me, and also background music and also captions for me. So if you create video in some other tool, then you have to um place music separately, and then you have to place uh, voice over separately, and then you have to generate captions with another app. But this tool will perform all the tasks and complete all this work. You just have to upload this video and earn money. So my internet is little slow. Okay, then you have to come to this section and click on convert, and then click on idea to video. So here you have to write your video topic, facts about ocean, and select video duration to short. If you want to create short videos, if you want to create long videos, then you can select other options, then select explainer and click on submit. So it will take some time and then it will generate video for you, and then you can, if you want some sections to be deleted, then you can delete that section from video. So let's wait for some time. So it's generating videos and audios. So I will pause. So you can see our video is generated. So it is about 1 minute 41 seconds. So we don't need that much video. So you can come to these sections and click on scenes, click on three dots near more and click on delete. So it will delete this scene from our video and size of our video will be reduced. So if you want some other, like if you want to delete this, you can delete this section also. So we will create a short video. Let's delete this also. "53 seconds." So now uh, it have 35 seconds only. So this is perfect for our short. So now you have to come to this section and click on settings. Sorry, you have to click on more and then click on size. No, it is in settings and then click on aspect ratio and click on 9:16. So it will change size to vertical video, and then you can also play to check how our video is created.
Ocean. The vast,
So
mysterious
we can
world
play
beneath the
this audio
waves.
also.
The ocean, covering 70% of our planet, is teeming with life.
So it is 12 seconds only. I thought it's more, but we can click on plus icon and we can write something here also if we want, and from here if we want to add some layout or video, then we can search. So we can search ocean. So we can use this video and we can write as we go down in ocean pressure. So now our video length will increase.
Facts about ocean. About ocean. Welcome to the vast, mysterious world beneath the waves. The ocean, covering 70% of our planet, is teeming with life. Go down in ocean pressure increase inside ocean.
So you can see our video is finished. Now we can click on export and it will load for some time and it will process video, and then we can download this video and then we can upload this video on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook and other platforms. So we will wait. So now you can see our video is generated and we can press the download button and it will get downloaded in our phone or PC, and then we can upload this video. So let's play it in our media player. So using this way you can create unique
Facts
videos.
about ocean. Welcome to the vast, mysterious world beneath the waves. The ocean, covering 70% of our planet, is teeming with life. As we go down in ocean pressure increase inside ocean.
So free version of this Flicky
Facts
app
about
will
ocean.
have watermark
Welcome to the vast,
on
mysterious world beneath the waves.
watermark like this
The ocean,
flicky.ai.
covering
So if
70%
you
of our
buy any
planet,
paid
is teeming
plan,
with life.
then this watermark will be
As we
removed.
go down an ocean,
But
pressure increase inside ocean.
but I will not recommend it. You can try a free version first, and then you can grow your channel, and then you can get paid version, and you can earn money. So I hope you have learned something new. So if you find this video useful, press like button below this video and also do some good comment. Thanks for watching.